Need a little help creating the perfect outdoor living space or landscaping your home? We understand that crafting a beautiful and functional outdoor area can sometimes be a daunting task. But worry not. Whether you're looking to set up a cozy patio, build a sturdy barn, or get your lawn looking its best, we've got you covered. With a vast selection of quality products from portable buildings to compact tractors, M&D Enterprises is here to help you create your dream outdoor space. Don't just take our word for it, listen to our satisfied customers. Their words tell a story of M&D Enterprises' commitment to quality. They speak of durable products that stand the test of time, of prices that don't break the bank, and of a customer service experience that puts them first. They talk about Mennonite craftsmanship, about compact tractors that purr like kittens, and about metal buildings that withstand the harshest weather. They speak, and their words paint a picture of trust. Our customers are our best advocates. From portable buildings to lawn mowers, we've got everything you need. Dive into the vast ocean of our product range at M&D Enterprises. Our specialty lies in portable buildings, compact tractors, and a variety of lawn mowers. But our offerings don't stop there. We're also your go-to destination for all your outdoor living needs. From heaters to keep you warm during those chilly evenings, to patio furniture for your perfect outdoor setup. Quality products, competitive prices, that's the M&D Enterprises promise. Ready to turn your outdoor living dreams into reality? With M&D Enterprises, you're just a step away. Whether you're an online shopping enthusiast or a traditional in-store shopper, we've got you covered. From compact tractors to patio furniture, our wide range of products is ready to meet your needs. Plus, our trained mechanics are always on standby for parts and service, ensuring your purchases stand the test of time. Don't let your dream outdoor space remain just a dream. Visit the M&D Enterprises website or our store today. Your perfect outdoor space is just a click or a visit away.